Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set same order status for all payment gateway using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write custom order status manager for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see Brights plugin, hover on it and then you see order status settings. So click on it. Now we are going to set same order status for all payment gateway in WooCommerce WordPress. Scroll down. Then you see general setting. Now you see default order status. Now drop down select. So you can select according to your requirement. Now select processing and then click on save. Now setting saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now click on add to cart and then click on checkout. And we are in checkout page and scroll down, click on continue, again click on continue. So this is our product. Now you see payment method, direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, Stripe and PayPal. So by default order status for direct bank transfer is on hold. By default order status for check payment is on hold, but by using plugin we set to processing. Now select direct bank transfer and then enable this option and then you see button place order. So click on it. Now you see thank you, your order has been received and payment method direct bank transfer. Now go to plugin setting again. Scroll up, on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see order. So click on it. Now we are in order section and scroll down, you see this is our recent order. Now you see date 23 seconds ago and then you see status processing. So by default order status for direct bank transfer is on hold, but using plugin we set it to processing. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.